Hello guys, what's going on? This is Arjun and today I have iPhone 7 Plus. This phone comes with 3 storage options 32GB, 128GB and 256GB, and this phone is a 128GB black model. Let's peel this plastic wrapper. As you can see, now we have this pull tab on the bottom to remove the box plastic, which is quite handy and plus point in unboxing experience because now we don't need a cutter or a knife. So here we have the pure white box, and on the side of the box we get the iPhone logo followed by the Apple logo on the top. On the back side you can see this is a 128GB iPhone 7 Plus and information regarding what is included in this box. Below we get the serial and IMEI number of the phone and the address of the Apple headquarters in California. Now let's move on the front side. Here we have the exact size photo of the iPhone 7 Plus. So that's all we get on the box. Let's open this and see what we get inside this box. After a long time, Apple decided to change its product packaging style. As you can see, now first we get this user guide box with designed by Apple in California text instead of iPhone itself. Inside this box we get the paperwork in different languages, which includes getting started guide, warranty info, and here we have the SIM ejector tool. Also we get 2 white Apple stickers. Let's put them on the side and take a look at the phone. iPhone 7 Plus has 2 different type of black colors. One is a jet black, which is black glossy finish on aluminum, and the other one is a black, which is matte black finish on aluminum. And this is a matte black iPhone 7 Plus, and the reason why I choose this over jet black, because the jet black gets scratches as soon as you put it inside your pocket. Even if you care about your phone so much, you can't keep a jet black iPhone scratchless. The quality and the look of the phone feels very premium. On the back side we get 2 12 megapixel cameras followed by microphone and a true tone flash. On the front side of the phone we get a 5.5 inch full HD retina display with 3D touch, 7 megapixel front camera followed by earpiece and speaker for stereo sound on the top, and a capacitive home button on the bottom. This phone is 7.3 mm thick. Let's put this phone on the side for a while and see what else we have inside this box. This is a standard 5-watt wall adapter. Here we have the earpods with lightning connector. We get this lightning connector on the other side because the 3.5 mm jack is removed from the iPhone. But don't worry guys, you also get this 3.5 mm jack to lightning connector dongle, which you can use to plug in your 3.5 mm headphones. And the last thing we get is a USB to lightning connector cable, which is used to charge or sync your iPhone with iTunes. The length of this cable is 1 meter. So that's all for the unboxing of the iPhone 7 Plus, and I have a lot to tell you guys about this phone, which I will cover in the next review video. If you like this video, hit the like button and press the red subscribe button to subscribe my channel. It's totally free. Talk to you guys in the next review video. Thanks for watching.